Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Prarthana and I am your German coach. In today's video, we are going to learn what are articles and what are nominative articles, when to use those articles, etc. etc. This is going to be part 1 of our article series. You are going to learn accusative, dative, genitive, all of it. So this is going to be the first part of the series. Let's start with understanding what are articles, or auf Deutsch sagen wir Artikel. We have 3 articles in English language, that is a, an and the. We use these 3 articles for the nouns. Now if you don't know what are nouns, then a noun can be any person, place or a thing. Let's take an example. Let's take person. For example, father. Father is a person. So I can say the father or a father. Let's take a place. For example, city. So city is a place. So the city or a city. Or the restaurant, a restaurant. The cafe, a cafe. Or let's take a thing. For example, coffee, the coffee, a coffee. The cup, a cup. The bag, a bag. Any person, place or a thing can be a noun. But we use articles only and only for noun. This is what we need to remember. We use articles only and only for nouns. No matter if it is in English language or in German language, you have to use it only and only for nouns. Why so? I'll give you very simple examples to relate. Let's take a verb. Verb means actions. For example, let's take to eat. Eat is the action. Have you ever heard the eat? No. The come? No. The sit? The stand? The drink? No, we haven't. We never use articles such as the, a or an for your actions. Similarly, we never really use it for adjectives or even adverbs in that case. For example, the beautiful. No, it doesn't make any sense. It needs something to be beautiful. For example, the beautiful girl, the beautiful project, the beautiful scenery. So you need a noun. You always need a noun to add the article to. Now let's learn Articles auf Deutsch oder Artikel auf Deutsch. Wir haben 4 Artikel oder 4 Kategorien. Das ist Nominativ, Akkusativ, Dativ und Genitiv. So that is nominative, accusative, dative and genitive. In today's video, we are going to focus especially on nominative articles. So let's see the nominative articles. Now in nominative article, or let it be in any case, but let's focus on nominative articles. The first article is called as bestimmt Artikel. Repeat after me. Wiederholen Sie bitte. Bestimmt Artikel. Bestimmt Artikel auf Deutsch bedeutet definite articles. It means definite articles. Or in simple words, it is the in English. Article the. So now articles in German language change as per the gender. So for example, für masculine haben wir der. For masculine we have der. Repeat after me, der. Feminine die, Neutrum das und Plural die. Also haben wir der, die, das, die. We have der, die, das, die. All of these 4 articles, der, die, das, die, means the in English. These are our bestimmt Artikel. Now, next is unbestimmt Artikel. Repeat after me. Wiederholen Sie bitte. Unbestimmt Artikel. Unbestimmt Artikel bedeutet indefinite articles. Now, indefinite articles in simple language are a or an. A or an means indefinite articles. So again, für masculine haben wir ein. Repeat after me. Ein. Feminine, einer. So you have to pronounce that ending a sound to differentiate. Masculine, ein. Feminine, eine, a. Neutrum, ein. Und für Plural haben wir kein Artikel. We don't have any articles for plural. I'll explain you why, but for now, let's revise our articles. Bestimmtartikel, der, die, das, die. Unbestimmtartikel, ein, eine, ein. I hope this much is clear. Now, let's start understanding these articles. So, let's say I want to say the father. Okay, now father is masculine, and for father auf Deutsch sagen wir Vater. Okay, so I want to say the father. So now father is masculine. I have to use the masculine article, and bestimmt masculine is der. So I would say der Vater. Same way if I want to say the mother, die Mutter. Mother is feminine, so we will use feminine article, die Mutter, or eine Mutter. Same way, let's take something neutral, for example, the book, das Buch, or ein Buch. Or let's say something plural, for example, friends, the friends, die Freunde. Now, obviously, we don't use a or an articles for plural. For example, have you ever heard anyone say a girls, a boys, a gifts, a tables? No, we never use a or an for plural. So same logic, because ein, or in English a or an, depicts one book, one table, one friend. We never use it for plural, and that's why we don't have any article for plural. So these are our articles. Again, quick revision. Bestimmtartikel, der, die, das, die. Unbestimmtartikel, ein, eine, ein. Now this is the most important question, and if you're already in your A1, A2 or even B1 level, I think this part is going to be extremely important for you. And the question is, when do we use nominative articles? So now, always remember, okay, don't remember any other thing, just remember this much. We use nominative articles for subject, or auf Deutsch Subjekt. So we use it for the subject of the sentence. Let's understand what is a subject. If you want, write this down. Subject is the doer of your action, the one who is doing the action in your sentence. Wer macht Aktion, who is doing the action. So subject is always the doer of the action. Let's take one example. Now focus here. Die dash Frau trinkt eine Tasse Kaffee. Now focus. Die dash Frau trinkt eine Tasse Kaffee. Tell me what's the action over here? Trinkt, correct? She is drinking. Drinking is the action. Now this is your action. Now tell me who is the doer of the action. Who is doing the action? Wer macht Aktion in diesem Satz? Frau, correct? Frau is the one doing the action. And that's why die dash Frau is your nominative part of the sentence. Doer of the action. Doer of the action, nominative. And now we can use the nominative article. That is the table we have learned. Frau is feminine, so we will use feminine article. Das ist die. So die Frau trinkt eine Tasse Kaffee. Let's take one more example. Die dash Kinder spielen Fußball. Okay, the children are playing football. Now focus. What's the action over here? Always remember, find the action. What's the action? Spielen. Who is doing the action? Doer of the action? Kinder. Children. They are the doer of the action. Correct? They are playing, so they are the doers. Now, Kinder is plural. So we have to see the plural article. Und das ist die. So die Kinder. Die Kinder spielen Fußball. Let's take one more. Die dash Handy kostet 10 Euro. So now again here, kostet is our action. Who is the doer of the action? What is costing? Who is costing? Handy, right? Mobile phone is the one who is doing the action of costing. So Handy is the doer of the action. Handy is nominative, and that's why we would use nominative article. Now Handy is Neutrum auf Deutsch. It's neutral in German. So what would be the answer? das handy. So das handy kostet 10 Euro. So I hope this is clear. I hope nominative articles are clear. I'm uploading the second part very soon. Stay tuned for it. Until then, cheers.